Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting the essentials right: network and account. Connect the Google TV to a reliable Wi-Fi network, then immediately sign into your primary Google account. Once signed in, make sure to accept device, location, and usage permissions so services can sync. This allows Google to surface personalized recommendations and cast content. Without it, search and assistant features will be limited. After that, check for system updates and install any. It ensures compatibility with the Google app and services. Now you open the Google app and make it the default interface for search and voice. From home, launch Google, then go to Settings, Apps, and set Google as your default search and assistant handler. Next, link streaming providers and sign into each service, so results show playable content inline. Make sure cast devices and speakers are added under Accounts and Sync. This lets you send content directly and control playback. Doing this ties search results to playable sources and gives you hands-free control. Finish by using Google as your daily interface. Speak, "Hey Google," find comedy movies, or press the remote mic for quick voice searches. When results appear, use on-screen filters or typed search to refine, then select play next to the provider you prefer. Google will route playback to the correct app or cast target. If something fails, reboot the TV, confirm Wi-Fi, and relink your Google account in settings. That usually resolves sign-in or playback conflicts and restores full functionality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.